Assalamu alaikum. I am Kashif Malik and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how you are going to install a tank pad or a tank protector on a Suzuki Gikser 150. Most of the riders, they are always wearing jeans, and to hold your jeans properly they are always using buckles and belts. So these types of buckles have got sharp edges, so they might scratch your tank. So prevent from scratching, I'm going to tell you a tip. Put your buckle sideways, if you don't have got a tank pad on your motorbike. Clean your tank first with an alcohol or wash it. Use some shampoo or whatever you are using for bike cleaning. Make sure that your tank is wax freed, and then use a microfiber towel. Things you should have: scissor, a foot ruler or a scale, white thread, black pointer, and a scotch tape. I bought this tank pad. You know why I bought this one? Because it goes with the theme as well. Let's open the pack and see how it looks like. Well, according to my opinion, I select this one because it goes with the color scheme and it will, I think so, look good. But your comments are more important and I will be anxiously waiting for your comments as well. The first step which we are going to do is to cut this tank pad accordingly to this pattern. Because this is big in size, so we cannot align this tank pad like this. So in order to do that, we need scissors. Our pattern is ready. So now we are going to put this scotch tape. I cut 3 pieces of scotch tape accordingly to the size of the tank pad. So 1, 2, and 3. So we will first put this one. I'll make sure that the bigger one stays on the top. Like this. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure that there are no wrinkles when you paste the scotch tape on this tank pad. There you go. Make sure that you draw a central point like this, and on the top we have to measure it accordingly with the scale. So this is a rough line which I have drawn on the top. Then I have to measure it and put a mark like this, the black one. Then again I have to check it. No, it's not been centered. I have to, redraw. Then again I have to use a scale for measurements like this, and now it's centered. Now we are going to draw a straight line using these 2 marks which we have drawn like this. This is your central line which we are going to match with the white thread. There you go. Now I am going to tell you how you are going to center your tank pad on your fuel tank just by using this white thread. This is the central line which I have drawn with this white thread. I put 3 pieces of scotch tapes, first on the top of the fuel tank, the other one at the end of the fuel cup, and the last one at the end of the fuel tank. So make sure that I started with the top of the screw which is there on your bike on the fuel tank cup as well. So there you go. This is your central line on the fuel tank. Now you have to be very much accurate, while centering both the black line and the white thread line. I'm not going to remove this original sticker as it's been pasted by the company. I know it's not going to look good, but I have to sacrifice. So I'm going to put the tank pad on the sticker, right? And I've seen a lot of people doing a lot of mistakes. They put the tank pad so high or so low. So we have to select the actual place. I have placed the tank pad centering both of the lines, the black one and the white thread, on each other. As you can see, this is not basically the final, because if you are going to paste it without measuring, so there is no coming back. So you can place your tank pad and play it as many times as you want in this moment. Now we are going to remove the white thread. Very easy. Just remove the scotch tape, pull it, you see, like this. This is a Tom tank, a plastic one. The real one is underneath. These 2 screws are creating a lot of problem. So I'm going to cut these 2 last ones and I'm going to paste them at the end. These were the 2 stickers which were messing with the bolts, as I have told you. So I'll think where to paste them. I'm using this scotch tape. It's transparent and you can see it while pasting as well. If you use a paper tape, you cannot see through it. The most important thing is do not put your fingers on the sticker. Make sure that your hands should be clean, properly cleaned up. Your tank is wax freed, and there you go, almost done. Yeah, the last one is really difficult to paste. There you go. Now we have to use you can say a heat gun or a hair dryer, whatever you have. I'm going to use a heat gun. There you go. It will getting hotter and hotter. With passage of time, then you must use this microfiber cloth. It's a little bit moist. Won't scratch. Do not overheat, as you know. I mean, the fuel tank comes with petrol and it's flammable. There you go. Press it gently, especially the corners, like this. There, like this. And like this. Of course, from the middle as well. There you go. I have installed a lot of tank pads on different kinds of super bikes. So this is the first experience on a Suzuki Gikser 150 with a Dom tank. There you go. Job well done. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Take care of yourself. Till then, Allah Hafiz.